We're currently here in Squamish, BC, and that's the rock. They call it the Chief. Got all the WMD, weapon of mass detection, set up. I don't have the night vision on yet because it's too light. Breslin's over there checking things out. Marcus and Liz are very comfortable here.
Way too comfortable, drive-in theater style.
Yep. And I've got the cameras going. I'm doing some time lapse. Stuff has been seen over the mountain, and we're hoping to see some stuff tonight. We'll be out till quite late.
Look at it!
I got it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
What the hell?
it's in the woods.
Yeah. I'm getting a crazy glow where it is on the night vision.
Okay, I've lost it now, but I got it. Could have been an airplane, but I don't think so.
No, I don't think so either. There was no sound.
Is it gone now? Okay, let's play it back.